Hottest is Channel V's new property, and over the years, if people have been keeping a watch, Channel V has always come up with something brand new, something that hasn't been done before, like Pop Stars and Launch Band, which was launching new bands, and Pop Stars, which launched a completely new band again. India's hottest is about picking the hottest face in India, and it's as simple as that. There is no jury, the people vote, it's an audience vote, and you just send in your pictures. You don't even have to stand in long queues and meet people or prove yourself.
So basically, yeah, you send in your pictures, you get rated, and the prize is 5 lakh rupees. So I think it's quite reachable to the normal public. It's a show that everyone would like to watch.
If you think you're hot, then all you need to do is participate in India's Hottest.
It's easy, like being hot is being yourself, so log on to the angelshottest.in, upload your photographs and you might be featured on our show.
मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि भारत में सही लड़कियाँ साड़ी में एक फोटो लेके अपलोड कीजिए प्लीज. चड्डी के साथ साड़ी भी होना चाहिए ना. जय साड़ी जय भारत.
You know, honestly, I started off in Channel V also with a reality show. It was called TV Champions. And after that, I did 2 consecutive years of Get Gorgeous. So I've more or less done a lot of reality shows, and I think they work very well. At least here in India, people respond to it really well. It's not a contest. Generally, we have contests or you have competitions of some sort in reality shows. This is quite simple. It's very approachable to our normal public. And obviously, the prize is 5 lakh rupees. Come on.
So reality shows have been the norm for quite a while now. It's not like it's a new concept. And with the way things are going, I think it's going to carry forward. It's just that people are going to tweak it and come up with something slightly new each time, which is what India's Hottest is all about. I just want to know what Lola has to say about this. Lola?
See, if I was told I was going to get 5 lakh rupees, means it's not even all these years at Channel V I have not got it. And is anyone wearing a sari? Is anyone wearing a sari for India's Hottest? No. They're always like a celebration of Nanganess. I am sorry. They're always like a celebration of Nanganess. I am sorry. They're always like a celebration of Nanganess. I am sorry. It is no. I am not approving.
As you can see, she has a completely different opinion about the show. So, you know.
मैं अभी फोटो खींचने जा रही हूँ और फिर मैं भी अपलोड करूँगी. मुझे 5 लाख की बहुत ज़रूरत है. एक गाड़ी खरीदना है.